In 2026, the definition of luxury travel has evolved into something far more futuristic, far more intelligent, and far more dramatic than ever before. And standing right here in front of us is the perfect example of what next-generation engineering and high-end design truly look like. This is not just a motorhome, not just a premium coach. This is a rolling masterpiece built to merge comfort, power, elegance, and technology into one extraordinary moving sanctuary. From the very first glance, its front exterior commands your attention with a presence that feels almost alive. The massive panoramic windshield wraps across the entire front like a cinematic visor, giving the driver a cockpit view inspired by private jets and luxury yachts. The sculpted curves glide around every edge, making the motorhome look aerodynamic, sleek, and aggressively modern. The LED light signature across the front is bold and futuristic, almost like a luxury concept car brought to life for real-world roads. The multi-layer chrome detailing, sharp lower bumper, and sweeping side character lines create a look that feels powerful yet refined, minimalist yet incredibly high-tech. The oversized Mercedes-inspired front grille sets the tone of authority, large, confident, and unmistakably premium. As the light hits the body, the glossy pearl finish reflects the surroundings like a mirror, adding more presence to this grand machine. Even the front wheels, with their turbine-style luxury rims and low-profile tires, highlight its sporty yet ultra-luxurious personality. Every inch of the exterior is sculpted with purpose. This is the kind of vehicle that makes people stop, stare, and wonder what futuristic world it came from. The elongated body flows perfectly into the extended upper cabin, showcasing a two-level design that gives the motorhome maximum space without compromising style. Along the side, the blacked-out privacy windows stretch like a continuous glass line across the length of the vehicle, giving it a premium limousine-style appearance. Hidden storage compartments, air channels, and integrated side lighting disappear flawlessly into the body design, keeping everything clean and seamless. Even from a distance, you can feel the luxury presence, a motorhome that was clearly engineered for those who love the road but refuse to compromise on comfort or style. Its presence inside the showroom feels like a superyacht parked on land, ready to begin a new chapter of travel in 2026 with unmatched elegance and sophistication. Step inside the front driving cabin, and the experience transforms completely. The steering area feels like entering the cockpit of a luxury aircraft. A massive ultra-wide digital dashboard stretches across the front, displaying navigation, camera views, system controls, and smart driving assistance with crystal-clear clarity. The steering wheel is thick, leather-wrapped, and accented with metallic controls that make every command intuitive. Ambient lighting glows softly under the panels, giving the cabin a calm, immersive nighttime driving atmosphere. High-back captain seats, wrapped in ventilated premium leather, offer full reclining, massage modes, and temperature control. From the driving position, the sweeping windshield gives a panoramic view of the world outside, making every journey feel cinematic. This is not just a cockpit, it's a luxury control center built for long-distance comfort and effortless command over the road. As we move deeper into the motorhome, the luxury intensifies. The bedroom offers a perfect retreat for relaxation and privacy. A full-size premium bed sits at the center with a floating LED frame that creates a soft, warm glow around the room. The walls are designed with a mix of leather textures, wood pattern, panels, and matte metallic accents, giving a boutique hotel feel. Large tinted windows allow natural light during the day, while blackout shades offer complete darkness for peaceful nights. Storage cabinets are built flush into the walls, maintaining a clean and elegant aesthetic. A smart entertainment display sits at the foot of the bed, allowing movies, streaming, and full home connectivity at the touch of a button. It's a quiet, comfortable, and intimate space that feels like a private suite on wheels. Move into the kitchen area, and the design instantly feels modern, open, and incredibly functional. Sleek countertops, soft closing drawers, and minimalist cabinetry give the space a stylish residential look. A built-in induction cooktop, deep stainless sink, and multi-layer storage compartments make cooking easy and enjoyable. Integrated LED strip lighting adds a contemporary touch along the cabinets, while a compact refrigerator and overhead microwave provide full convenience for road trips. The kitchen is designed to be efficient yet beautiful, perfect for preparing meals while traveling, without ever feeling cramped. The washroom continues the same luxurious theme. Clean white surfaces, chrome fixtures, and glass panel details create a refreshing and modern spa-like environment. A compact but elegant sink basin, mirrored medicine cabinet, and soft ambient lighting make the washroom inviting and practical. The shower area uses high-quality waterproof materials and includes space-efficient shelves for toiletries. The ventilation system keeps the room fresh, while the sleek layout ensures comfort even in limited space. It's a washroom that feels premium, bright, and far above standard motorhome design. As we step back to view the complete motorhome once more, inside and out, the full picture becomes clear. This is a 2026 luxury motorhome built not just for transportation but for lifestyle. The exterior delivers power, style, and a futuristic road presence that instantly separates it from ordinary RVs. The interior elevates travel into a 5-star experience, offering relaxation, entertainment, comfort, and cutting-edge technology in every corner. Every room, from the cockpit to the bedroom, kitchen, and washroom, has been carefully crafted to make long journeys feel effortless and enjoyable. This motorhome is a moving luxury apartment, a private retreat, and a futuristic machine all in one. In the end, this is not just a vehicle, it's freedom, comfort, and high-end design combined into one masterpiece. And as we enter the future of travel in 2026, this motorhome proves that luxury on wheels has no limits. It redefines what it means to explore, to live, and to experience the world while carrying the comfort of home along every mile of the journey.